is called Supers versus the Screenslaver. It wasn't just the last season that was in trouble. The ambassador and mention of the supers and powerful world. So when I saw Disney Playmakers advertised, I felt it was a really good opportunity for the girls in our school to take part in some physical activity. When I was in school myself, I felt I had a really negative experience with any kind of sport. I didn't know anything about football. And for me as a teacher, I think it's really important that all children have a positive attitude to anything. So I thought this is a really good and fun opportunity to get children engaged in sport. The resource has definitely been useful. Not having a sport background, I needed it definitely. Everything is really self-explanatory. There's lots of fun games which are really easy to follow. The children can set them up, the children can follow the instructions. They can organise all their own equipment because the instructions are very, very simple. And the fact that there's a story thread throughout that actually keeps them really engaged. Will Evelyn's evil plan work?
I enjoyed playing football the most with my friends. I enjoyed being partners. I learned how to change direction. I learned how to jump out of a house at corns to corns.